I am also safe. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson. We need water. EVS class 1. Children, I will ask you one question. You will live without air? You will live without air? No, we can't live without air. We need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe. Like that only, water also need to live. Okay, to survive our life. We need water to drink, and our uses are also there. That is our lesson. All living beings need water and air to survive the life. Okay, Nana? The lesson is about water and uses of water, and you must save the water from where we are getting the water. This is our lesson topic, Nana. Let us start the lesson. People, plants and animals need water to live. People, plants and animals are also need water to live. They can be no life without water. We can't live without water. For every people, human beings and living beings need water to survive the life. Without water, we can't live. I will say there are many uses of water. There are many uses of water. Today, listen. Water is for drinking. Water is used for drinking. When you are feeling thirsty, you will take a glass of water and drink. If you are feeling very thirsty when you are coming from outside, you are taking the water and drink. We need water to drink. Next. Cooking. For cooking purpose, we will need water to cooking. Okay, our mother need water for cooking the food. In kitchen, we will use water for rice boiling. We are using the water. And for dal preparing, anything for cooking purpose, we need water. Next, we need water to bath. Bathing. We need water to bathing. We need water to bathing. We will feel sweaty and fresh now. We will take the bath, we feel fresh. For bath, we will use water. Next, for washing the clothes. We are using water. For washing purpose, we are using water. For washing purpose, we are using water. For put off the fire. The fire was coming, fire engine will come and put off a fire. For that purpose also we are using water. Put out a fire. Okay, Nana? These are the uses of water. Drinking, we need water to drinking. We need water for cooking. We need water for bathing. We need water for washing. We need water to put out a fire. When the fire was rising, we are using the water to put out the fire. Next, these are the uses of water. From where do we get the water? Water are coming from, we know everybody going in our houses, in kitchen or bathroom, anywhere we are storing the water. We will turn off the tap, we will get the water from the pipes. We know that. But from where the water was coming? Do you know, children? From tap water was coming? No. From where it was coming? Where the water was coming? Listen. When it rains, the when some water was going to the under the ground. When we dig the rope, when we dig the ground, we will get the water from wells also. Take main source of the water is from rain. Main source of the water is from rain. This water is cleaned. The rain water is cleaned. The water was going to the ponds, lakes and rivers. Then it is sent to our houses through pipes. We get this water from taps. Some water goes below the ground. We dig wells to take this water out. Saving water, Nana. We must save the water from the. We are coming with a, when we are using the tap, when we are using the water, we must save the water. We do not waste the water. Water is very precious, Nana. We must not waste water. We must not waste the water. We must close the tap after use. We must, when you are taking your brushing, you should not run out the tap. We should stop the tap and after using you are using. Okay. We must take only as much water you want in a glass as you want to drink. You must drink, or if you are thirsty, take some half glass of water, drink, and again you are feeling thirsty, take another glass, take one more glass. You don't take your full glass of water and don't waste it. Okay. See this girl. This was a girl was taking a jar. This girl was taking the water in jar and pouring the water in glass. The girl, how much water she was taking? She was not wasting the water. We must take only as much water in a glass as we want to drink. We must collect rainwater. We must collect the rainwater also, Nana. We can use it for washing vegetables. Rainwater is also very clean, Nana. We don't waste the rainwater. We must take the rainwater. It is used for vegetables washing, to clean the floor and to water plants also. Okay, Nana. Once again, I am saying the saving water. Why I am saying that it is very precious to save the water. We must save the water. Very important, Nana, this one. We must not waste the water. We must close the tap after use. We must take as much water in a glass as we want to drink. We must collect rainwater. We can use it to wash vegetables, to clean the floor and to water the plants. Okay, Nana? Here see, here you have the question here. Get started, that one. Rimi is very thirsty. Rimi is very thirsty. Which of these things should we have? Which of these things should she have? She was taking, when he was thirsty, what the Rimi was taking? Comb. She was take the comb and she will drink? No. She was take the ball? No. She was take the glass of water? Yes. She was take the glass of water when Rimi was thirsty. She was taking a glass of water. Okay, Nana? Take this one. Okay. I will underline the words. In the textbook, I will underline the words. Okay, Nana? I am writing on the board. Please note the hard words on the board. Underline it, Nana. Plants. 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 Animals. 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 Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Live. V-E, live. L-I-V-E, live. Life, L-I-F-E, life. Drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. Cook food, C-O-O-K, cook food, F-O-O-D, food. Bath, B-A-T-H-E, bath. Wash clothes, W-A-S-H-C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Wash clothes. P-U-T, put. O-U-T, out. A, five. F-5 or E, five. Put out A, five. Ponds, P-O-N-D-S, ponds. Lakes, L-A-K-E-S, lakes. Rivers, R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Clean, C-L-E-A-N-E-D, clean. C-L-E-A-N-E-D, N-E-D, clean. Pipes, P-I-P-E-S, pipes. P-I-P-E-S, pipes. Below, B-E-L-O-W, below. B-E-L-O-W, below. Ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Dig wells, D-I-G, dig wells, W-E-L-L-S, wells. Dig wells. Put out the fire. Ponds, lakes, rivers, clean, pipes, below, ground, dig wells. Waste, W-A-S-T-E, waste. W-A-S-T-E, waste. Vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Clean the floor, C-L-E-A-N, clean the, T-H-E, the floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor, clean the floor. Okay, Nana, underline these words about we need water. The lesson is we need water. In this lesson we have covered the topics. Water has many uses. We will drink the water. We will drink the water and we need water for cooking. Uses of the water I said no, for drinking and cooking, washing the clothes we need water. We are bathing, we need water to bath. To putting out a fire we are using the water. For cleaning purpose also we are using the water. From where do we get water from? We get water from rain. Rain and it will go to the lakes and ponds and rivers, and from that we are getting from through pipes to the houses we are using we are getting the water. Okay, Nana, from the rain we are getting the water. Water is very precious, Nana. We should not waste the water. Next topic is saving water. We must not waste water. We must close the tap after using. We must take only as much as water which in a glass as we want to drink. We must collect rainwater. We must collect the rainwater for the what purpose? For washing the vegetables, not for drinking, Nana. We must collect the rainwater and wash the vegetables, and for cleaning purpose only the rainwater is mostly from we will use for clean the floor and water the plants. Okay, Nana, we have completed the lesson. We need water. You can underline these words. I will give the hard words through WhatsApp group. Write neatly in your EVS classwork. Okay, Nana. Take care. Bye.